Greetings, 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 and welcome or welcome back to my channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. So let me ask you something. You think every question forget answer? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people fear God or talk to them in the Jamaican language, just click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, now at the best time if you click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. If you make sure say you don't miss none of what I go on right here so 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 20 from verse 27 to verse 40. Some of the Sadducees them come at Jesus. Them never believe say when you're dead, you can come back alive. Them ask Jesus say, Teacher, Moses write say if one man brother dead and left one wife but no picnic, the man fi married him brother wife and have picnic with her fi him brother. One family did have 7 brother. The first one married one woman and dead but never have no picnic. The next brother married her and dead too. One another one married her and dead. All 7 of them married her, dead, and no left her with no picnic. Then the woman dead too. Since the 7 of them married to her, when a time for them come back alive, a offer wife shall go be. Jesus say, the people in at that time are married, but the people them were fit for live in at the time when dead people come back alive, them now go get married. And then now go can dead again. Cause them come in like angel and them are God pitney. Them are God pitney cause God make them come back alive. Even Moses show say the dead are go come back alive. When the bush did a burn, him call the Lord Abraham God, Isaac God, and Jacob God. Him are not God for the dead, but for who are live. Cause for God, the whole of them alive. Some of the law teacher them say, true word teacher, good answer. From that, they afraid fi ask Jesus no more question. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.